everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing more of a guided style. So I'm going to be showing you how to make the 2 different stitches for my latest free crochet pattern. So this is a very textured crochet throw. It's a free pattern on my blog, and the link for this pattern will be in the description box below. So just open it up and then it'll bring you right to the free pattern. And the pattern uses 2 different stitches. So I'm going to show you how to make the Zoozat stitch and then the extended single crochet stitch. So yeah, so the materials and what you're going to need for the materials is you're going to need a Lion Brand Comfy Cotton Blend yarn. It's a number 3 lightweight yarn, and I'm just using it in the color Chai Latte, but they have tons of color options available. And you're also going to need a 6.0 millimeter crochet hook. All right, let's get started. Okay, so the first stitch that you're going to be using in the pattern is called the Zoozat Stitch. So I'm just going to go ahead and chain 12 here, just to make a little swatch. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so once you've made 12 chains, you want to make 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet in the second chain from the hook. Okay, so go ahead and insert your hook into that second chain, yarn over and pull through, and then yarn over one more time and pull through those last 2 chains. And that's how you make a single crochet. Now you also want to make a double crochet in the same chain. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. And that's how you make a double crochet. So now for the Zoozat stitch, you want to skip the following chain, and you want to insert your hook into the next chain and go ahead and make that single crochet again. And then you want to do a double crochet in that same chain. Okay, and then the pattern just repeats itself. So you want to skip the next chain and make a single crochet and a double crochet in the following chain. Okay, so we're going to skip our chain and then make 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet in the same chain. All right, so we're going to skip the next chain, make a single crochet and double crochet. All right, and then you should have 2 chains left, and in the last chain you are only going to do 1 single crochet. Okay, so your first row should look like this. All right, so now you want to do chain 1. You're going to flip your work, and you're going to make 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet in that first stitch for the second row. Okay, so this stitch right here. So go ahead and make your single crochet and then make your double crochet, and all in that same stitch. Okay, and just like row 1, your next step is to skip the next stitch and then make 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet in the following stitch. Okay, and keep doing this till the end of the row. So skip our next chain or our stitch, insert your hook in the following one and make 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet. All right, skip our next stitch, make 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet. All right, skip our next stitch, make 1 single and 1 double. And then you should come to your last 2 stitches, this one right here and this one. For this yarn, it's kind of easier to see, but it's in light blue and then pink. Okay, so skip the next stitch and then make 1 single crochet in that last stitch. All right, so that completes row 2. Okay, and then all you want to do for the Zoozat stitch is just continue to repeat row 2. Okay, and so that's all you have to do for this part of the pattern. Okay, so now let's get into how to make an extended single crochet. Okay, so the second stitch that we're going to be learning is how to do the extended single crochet stitch, which is also known as the peacock stitch. So this is the second stitch used in the pattern. So I just went ahead and chain 12 again, okay, just so we're starting off with the same chain. And you want to go ahead and make 1 row of single crochets. So you're going to skip the first chain and make a single crochet in the second chain. So just insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through the last 2 stitches, okay? And so just continue to make your first row of single crochets. Okay, so I'm here at my end of my first row, okay? So it should just be a row of single crochets. So now this is when we start our first extended single crochet. So go ahead and chain 1, turn your work, and you want to make 1 single crochet in this first stitch. Okay, so insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and then pull through one more time. Okay, and so now for the extended single crochet, you're going to insert your hook, and then you are just going to pull through, okay? So you should have 2 loops on your hook, and then you're going to yarn over, and you're going to make a chain. So 1, and you want to make another chain, 2, and then make 1 more, but when you make this one, you're just going to pull through, okay? So you're basically extending the single crochet by inserting chains. And so to close this off and to make this pop, as in for a peacock stitch, you want to just make a single crochet in the following stitch. Okay, and so sometimes it needs a little bit of help, but you just pop it up like that. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but it should have like a little bobble-like effect. Okay, so once you've made the single crochet, now you want to create another extended single crochet. So insert your hook, yarn over, and then you're just going to pull through 2 loops, and then go ahead and make your 2 chains. 1, 2, and then pull through both loops. Okay, and then to create that little bubble effect, just single crochet in the following stitch. Okay, and that is the pattern till the end of the row. So for your next one, go ahead and make another extended single crochet, your 2 chains, and then your last one, your third one, you're just going to pull through and then make a single crochet. Okay, go to make another one. All right, there we go. And looks like I'm here in my last 2 stitches. So make an extended single crochet, 1, 2, and pull through. And then your last stitch should be a single crochet. Okay, so your second row should look like this. It's cute little boblet stitches. Okay, so for the third row is really easy. It's like row 1. So chain 1, turn your work, and you're just going to single crochet across. And this will help bring the little boblets up even more. Okay, so go ahead and make your single crochets for the third row. All right, I'm almost there. Okay, so now for the fourth row, you want to chain 1 and turn. Okay, so now we're back on the front side. And so now we're going to work our extended single crochet again. Only this time you want to single crochet in the first 2. Okay, and then the third stitch is where you're going to make your extended single crochet. So insert your hook and pull through 2 loops, and then chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 1 more time, but this time you're pulling through. Okay, and then just make that single crochet in the following stitch. Okay, so we're back at our extended single crochet. So we're inserting, we're making 2 chains and pulling through. All right, and then you make 1 single crochet in the following one. Okay, here's my extended single crochet again. another extended single crochet. All right, and then you want to make one more single crochet. So for that fourth row, you always want to have 2 single crochets at the end, and then this way it evens out with the other ones. Okay, and so this is how you make the extended single crochet stitch for the blanket pattern. Alright everyone, I really hope you enjoyed this quick little guided tutorial on how to make the 2 different stitches for this crochet throw. Don't forget you can find the free pattern in the description box below, and yeah, I really hope this was helpful, and thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Bye!